Living in a country like India, which boasts of maximum number of festival in a calendar year, when each festival comes with its own range of signature delicacies, one is bound to have a million things to say about it. Aha! Uttarayan has come. Makar Sankranti of UP, MP and Bihar, Lahori of Punjab and Haryana, Sankranti of Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala, Pongal of Tamil Nadu or Bihu of Odisha. So many names for one festival. Welcome to Oj Ayurved, and today we gonna know about the culture, science and history behind the Makar Sankranti or 14 January festival. Why do Til and Gud play a significant role in Sankranti celebration? Makar Sankranti or Uttarayan, our sages have thought very well as a part of tradition. Makar Sankranti marks the beginning of the harvest season. It is the ground 14 January when the sun steps into Capricorn or Makar in Sanskrit and start into its northward journey, a transition called Uttarayan in Sanskrit. This puts a gradual end of cold winter days and paves way for pleasant spring. The duration of sunshine increases, which is good for crop. According to Ayurveda, this is the time for the Shishir Ritu or dry winter season. English month January 14 to March 14, Indian calendar month of Magh and Falgun constitute the Shishir Ritu. In Shishir Ritu, cold becomes severe and dryness intensify further, which Vagbhata Rishi has said in 3rd chapter 17th slok of Ashtang Hriday, Tadahi Sheet Adhikam Proksham cha Adan Kalajam, means in Shishir Ritu cold becomes severe and dryness intensify further. So special measures should be taken to avoid cold. Let's see what is the speciality in sesame that protect us from the cold and dry weather. Charak Rishi in his Charak Samhita 17th chapter shloka number 30 has described the property of sesame. He says, Snigdhushno madurastiktaha kashaya katukastilaha tvachah keshyascha balyascha vatagna kapapittakrit, means sesame is unctuous, oily, hot in potency. It has 4 tastes: sweet, astringent, pungent and bitter. Good for skin, promote hair growth. It is strength promoting. It alleviates the vitiation of vata and aggravates kapha and pitta. In addition to generating body heat, today modern researchers says that sesame is also rich source of copper, magnesium, tophin, iron, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, fiber, thiamine, vitamin B and the folate. There is 206 calories in a 1 cup of sesame, that is 36 gram. It also works as an antioxidant. In Shishir Ritu, sesame is the top class tonic for the body. Now let's know what kind of property in jaggery or gur who has spoken to eat with sesame. Body gets strength, heart also become powerful and control cholesterol level. When sesame and jaggery, these two superfood get together, think of them as a god-made pair. When the temperature fall in winter, the body has to work hard to maintain the temperature. Sesame and jaggery are the perfect combination for the body. They both are hot in nature and keep body warm. Also both are snigdh, means oily in nature, and protect both body and brain from cold weather. Eating til and gud laddu specially increase body power so that your immune system is strengthened. Til and gud are also prized in Ayurveda as two of the most winter perfect foods that helps to keep the body warm and also increase the immunity at the same time. Jaggery's iron and vitamin C content has also been used as a traditional remedy for the joint pain, respiratory disorder and the throat infection. Laddus of sesame and jaggery have one more advantage, that they are delicious, fun, yummy and healthy. Til and gud are much more than just festive ingredient, as they have strong cultural and significant link with the Sankranti celebration. It is said that til and gud laddus were invented way back in 4th century BC for totally different purpose compared to what we use them today for. If we go back in history, it is believed that laddu were originally invented for medicinal purpose by the father of Indian surgery and medicine, Acharya Shushruta. Tilka laddu that we release today was invented back in 4th century BC. Shushruta began using it as an antiseptic to treat his patient. The combination of sesame seed, jaggery and peanuts was known to have immense healing properties. Ever since then, Tilka laddu become a common fare in winter and Sankranti celebration which all fall during winter. It is impossible for us to imagine a Sankranti spread without mention of Laddu Day or Tilka Laddu. Til gud घ्या आणि गोड गोड बोला is a common expression used to greet family and guests in Marathi household during the Sankranti celebration. The expression literally means eat til and gud and speak well. Til and gud or jaggery or sesame and jaggery are the two most commonly consumed food in winter. The delicate traditional winter sweet made with roasted sesame seed, jaggery and flavored with saffron has festive written all over. Try it once, you would know it what it means. Share the taste and joy of laddus with your family and friend. And for more Ayurvedic information, please subscribe our YouTube channel Oj Ayurved and make sure to press bell icon for the new content. Be happy, be healthy.